The latest to join the home loan rate cut bandwagon is ICICI Bank. The private lender has announced that it has cut home loan interest rates to 6.70%. This will be for home loans up to 75 lakh, and home loans above 75 lakh will attract a rate of 6.75%. Remember, these rates at this point are going to be applicable only till the 31st of March. And this announcement has come, after SBI was the one who started the entire series of announcements of cutting home loan rates further. Last year, during the festive season itself, we had seen SBI starting by saying that they're going to cut home loan rates, followed by Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, all of them announcing that they are cutting home loan rates as well. And this is coming at a time when we are already seeing some of the lowest ever home loan interest rates. So, of course, this is the best time for home buyers. But let's just take a look at how the home loan rates are stacking up at this point in time. Well, if you take a look at SBI at this point is offering 6.70%, similar to what ICICI Bank is offering. HDFC Limited has said that they will be offering 6.75 across their entire home loan portfolio. And Kotak Mahindra Bank is offering the lowest at 6.65%. In fact, even before this announcement had come in, Kotak Mahindra Bank was offering the lowest interest rate at 6.75%, followed by SBI, ICICI Bank and HDFC at 6.80%. But we have to see this, of course, in perspective that home loan is where most banks are extremely bullish. Not only, SBI Chairman Dinesh Khara said that he sees younger people buying more homes at this point in time. They had said that the home loan portfolio has reached the 5 trillion mark. It took 10 years to reach the 5 trillion mark, and SBI Chairman is saying that he expects that they will reach the 10 trillion mark in half the time. In the next 5 years or so, he expects that they will reach the 10 trillion mark. And the reason for them to be bullish on this space is also that it's a very low NPA zone for banks. They don't expect a lot of defaults coming in the home loan space because of the sentiments attached to buying your first house and taking a home loan. So they don't expect that there will be a lot of NPAs. And they're also seeing that the ticket size, what SBI said, will remain at around 31 lakh for quite some more time. So there are more loans coming in the smaller houses category, lower income groups and middle income groups are who are aspiring to buy homes. So that is what the entire space is seeing right now. So we'll have to see as to how long that these rates are going to be sustainable for banks. 31st March is, of course, until when most of these rates are valid, is what the banks have said. But what happens after that is something that we'll have to watch out for. We'll also have to see in relation to what the Reserve Bank of India does in terms of the repo rate. So that will also impact what happens to the home loan rates going forward. Remember, while home loan rates are at an all-time low, the interest rate that you're getting from banks is also at an all-time low at this point in time. The interest rate on, say, your savings bank accounts, or also your fixed deposits are all much lower than what our parents or the previous generations have seen. So that is, of course, the interest that is coming to you from banks is also low. But now what you're paying to banks is also lower than it ever used to be. Clearly a good time for home buyers, and ICICI Bank the latest to announce a home loan rate cut.